How many hours have your engineers wasted deciphering spaghetti documentation or rebuilding onboarding materials from scratch? The developer onboarding docs pack slashes through chaos with precision. Battle tested markdown templates for environment setup, interactive code based tour generators, architecture decision record frameworks, and contribution workflow blueprints. We're talking CI CD integrated setup guides, Mermaid JS powered architecture diagrams, and GitHook templates for contribution standards. No more works on my machine memes haunting your stand ups. Engineering leads, DevOps engineers, and technical PMs, reclaim your week because good enough documentation shouldn't require a PhD in archaeology. Here's what's inside the Developer Onboarding Docs Pack. Environment setup with OS-specific dependency matrices. Code-based navigation templates featuring smart search annotations. Architecture decision records with RFC 8949 compliance. Contribution workflows fused with GitOps best practices. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just documentation, it's your team's onboarding operating system. Ready to stop winging it? Installing the Developer Onboarding Docs Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add onboarding-docs-pack. That's it. You get the entire workflow: setup guides, architecture frameworks, and contribution blueprints, all 150 plus pages of markdown magic. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows Docker file optimization, monorepo structuring, and SRE incident response protocols. No PhD required, just a terminal and 30 seconds. Because self documenting code is a myth, but this pack is real.